online learning in the first semester for this school year.
Hi everyone! Welcome to another weekly vlog. So for this week, it is our first week of second year med. And actually today is a Monday and we have our second year orientation today. So actually patapos na siya. We're just having our open forum right now. Anton and I ordered Zinger. It looks so good. I've been craving this for like a week now. So finally nakabili na rin kami.
Unless may sabihin. Kasi it's a comprehensive exam.
Oh god. Hi everyone, it is 10:52 p.m. right now. And by the way, tomorrow is the first day of second year med and I'm so scared. I know orientation pa lang and all that, but I'm really so scared for this year because they say second year is the hardest and I don't know, I just feel like I'm not ready yet, but I have to be, you know? I'm just looking at my schedule and for tomorrow we have opening exercises ng 8 a.m. Pharma lecture after, and then micro lab in the afternoon. So that's the schedule for tomorrow. I also put it on my planner already just so that I could remember and I don't have to keep opening the file. And then on my iPad, yung schedule na rin yung lock screen ko. And then I'm also charging my iPad pencil just in case I need it tomorrow. Good morning. Today is the first day of classes and at 8 a.m. we have opening exercises first and nag-alarm ako ng 7:30 and I feel like I didn't do everything I wanted to do before this started. It's already 8, we're just waiting for it to start, but I showered already, changed my outfit just in case we had to open our camera, got water, but I didn't eat breakfast. So tomorrow I think I'm gonna alarm 7 a.m. So the opening exercises ended already around 9:30 ata, or basta mga 9 nag-end. And supposedly we have a pharmacology orientation at 10 a.m. So yung ginawa ko, nag-prepare lang ako ng super fast breakfast. I just got oatmeal. And yun pala, they moved it to 11 a.m. So yeah, I'm just gonna watch YouTube while waiting and I might edit a video.
We're being active right now.
Good morning and welcome to our department. This is your orientation and with us are some members of our department. The long exam, so that will be LE1 and LE3.
First subject is done. It was pharmacology and today is puro orientation lang naman. So we just discussed the grading system, how exams will be held, and all that stuff. I was just writing down yung mga requirements namin for this school year. So I'm kind of overwhelmed, but it's kind of exciting because next week I think we're gonna be learning prescription writing. So we have an activity already, tapos I think it's graded also. So papakita namin yung exercise na gagawin namin and I have to work on that. I'm gonna try and work on that early because I'm trying to become a better student and not be lazy. Ayoko mag-cram, but for the first few weeks lang ata yun, pero hopefully not. Anyway, it's lunchtime already, 12 o'clock na, and next subject is micro and lab naman yun, orientation lang din. This is my lunch. I have rice, dumplings, chicken, soy sauce with calamansi, and orange juice.
It's microbiology. We will meet each other, or we have 8 hours a week. And that's a twice a week basis.
first day of classes done. Again, we just had orientation, so mabilis lang. We ended at around 2:20 p.m. but usually this would last until 5 p.m. So mabilis lang kasi nga we only discussed grading system, requirements, and all that stuff. So yeah, I think after this, I'm gonna take a break. So like parang 1 to 2 hours break kasi I've been looking at my computer screen the whole day. I need my eyes to rest. And I think I'm gonna invite Anton over so we can just talk about my first day of school. And yeah, I think that's gonna be the plan for today. And then I'll try to advance study later kasi we already have like activities, readings, and exercises scheduled. So I'll try to look through those and see if I can start doing them already. By the way, I went to Bambang yesterday and I already bought some school supplies. So I have gauze, tongue depressor, gloves, and other things here. I'm just gonna do a separate haul on them and I'm gonna link it down below. Hi everyone, update. I took an hour nap, which was super kulang. I don't know why I'm so tired. I didn't even do much. And also, I spent like 2 hours with Anton a while ago. We were just talking, and then we bought pizza. I missed pizza. I've been craving it for like a week now. After waking up, I studied, and I studied the first topic for pharmacology, which is our lecture on Friday. And this is actually interesting. And by the way, I remember nung high school pala, I was applying for UST, and yung course na pinili ko was pharmacy. I actually passed that, but mas nagustuhan ko yung psych. So, naglasal na lang ako kaysa mag UST for pharmacy. But I just realized ito yung inaaral ko, or ito yung aaralin ko kung nag-UST ako. So, ayan lang yung inaaral ko. Konting pages lang naman yan. But so far, I'm actually really liking this. Anyway, parang intro lang naman to, kaya maybe madali. Pero feeling ko for the next topics, it's gonna be harder na, and I don't wanna jinx it. So yeah, this is our first exercise for pharma. This is due next week pa naman, but I'm gonna scroll through it and see if I understand it. But this is so exciting.
So the total of this is 324 hours.
Good morning! It is currently 9 a.m. and kakatapos lang ng class namin. We had orientation for pathology, and I think that's it for my day. Supposedly, meron kaming medicine precept meeting for today. So yung precept parang by group siya instead of the whole class, kasi yung orientation for medicine next week pa, yung whole lecture. But today parang by group lang yung meeting, and I don't have a group yet because I enrolled late, so I don't know if may masasalihan ako. So yon, if meron man, I'm gonna try and vlog that. But after medicine, after lunch, meron kaming pathology lab, but we won't start lab this week daw, so next week na yun. So parang free cut yon for us. So yeah, I think that's it. It's so early. I have so much time to do so much things. Depending if meron akong meeting for med precept today. But yeah, super chill day for today. Tapos tomorrow, my first lecture na kami for pharma. Hi everyone! So, I was not able to vlog anymore this morning. We only had one subject, which was bioethics, and it just took like less than an hour kasi orientation lang ulit. And then our second subject, we didn't have, cause bakit nga ba? I think it was independent study period, so I've been studying for that lang, and then it's it's 1:52 p.m. already, and we have pharmacology class, our first lecture, in 8 minutes, 2 p.m. And I studied for that already last night. I'm just studying pathology now because I've been trying to advance read some of our topics, and yeah, I'm just waiting for class to start.
So, yun, no? Safety-wise, you have to consider that. And of course, the most important is effectiveness.
And those are the things that we will be studying in Psychiatry 1. Okay.